Okay, once you have the customer's account hooked up, go into their controller, okay, and you're going to have the zones. So say zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. We never mess with this one, so it's different. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go initially into zone 1. You'll go to settings. Okay, you're going to go to the number of light settings, and there's going to be a certain amount of light set. Okay, so this is just a counter that goes up to the light you want. Okay, obviously this one only got a few lights, but let's just say that this one has 155 lights in it. You're going to go ahead, leave the number segments down to 1. All right, and 155. You're going to hit save. Okay, and then you're going to go to color calibration. You're going to go red, next, green, next. Make sure they match up, blue, finish. Okay, so now we're finished. Right. The type of IC setting, the common RGBW is what you want to keep it on, okay? And then it'll go back. Now you're going to hit the zone thing again. You're going to go zone 2, which is port 2. Same thing, you're going to go to settings, number of light settings, okay? And you're going to move this around, okay? And let's say that this zone, only had 136 lights, okay? And you're going to save that, okay? You can color calibration, red, next. Green, next, blue, and finish. Make sure the colors match up. All right. Okay. Now you got those two zones. Okay. Now from this point, the other two ports are not being used. So what we like to do is we like to just make the whole front combine. The only reason that we would do these two zones separate is for like a front porch and a back porch. Okay. So you like see there's zone 1. That one's on. I switch over to zone 2. I can make that one do a different pattern. Okay. And so that would be the only purpose of being front and back porch. I do not recommend with this system making all of their different peaks and sides of their roof a different zone or port. It's just more complicated if they want that. Sell them a jellyfish system. So we do at this point, if we're just doing the front of the house, we make sure that this is done in our sales process. But I'm going to do create a group. And I'm going to combine the two groups I have, but I'm also going to combine the two or other groups that have nothing tied into them. Okay. So I'm going to create that and just do all ports. Okay. And confirm. So now I go into themes and I click that. Now they'll all change together in sequence combined. And then I don't have those NA in there to confuse the customer. They can only select one zone and it makes it a lot simpler and easier. Now, as far as like the number of light settings, don't go in and mess with that when they're combined in the same zone. Okay, just leave that alone. And now your zones are set up and everything's set up on that end. Okay.